Puspanjali Singh, your science teacher, and I welcome you all in DSS online classes. Today I am going to continue chapter 9, that is soil. Today we all will read about what is soil profile. A vertical section. Vertical means top to bottom. A vertical section through the different layer of soil. These are known as soil profile. It means when a soil deep, you see different layer. It means when a vertical section through different layer, these different layer is known as soil profile. Each layer differ feel, texture, it means hard or soft, and color, chemical composition. And each layer is known as horizon of soil. And now we will read about soil profile with distinct horizon of soil through activity. Take a garden soil and crush it into a powder. Now take a glass tumbler, 3/4 fill with water, and then add the handfuls of soil to it and stir it well with a stick to dissolve the soil. Now let it stand undisturbed for some time, and afterwards absorb it, and you will see that the component of soil start settle down according to their particle size and density. The heavier and bigger particles settle first and form the base. This is followed by smaller and then finer layer and water. The uppermost layer will have organic matter like rotted leaf floating off surface. In this activity you see the soil profile with different horizon of soil, and you also see the layer of particles of different size. And now we discuss some important terms of in this chapters. First are humus. What is humus? The decaying matters in the soil is called humus. It means when a dead and decaying matters like a plant and animal rotted in soil by the action of soil microorganism, this is called humus. Humus is humus make soil fertiles. And next are weathering. Weathering is formed when the rock break down. This process is called weathering. It means when a huge rock break into a small piece by the action of rain, floating water, wind, temperature and climate condition of place. This is called weathering. It means जब एक बड़ा rock क्या होता है break form में किसके through wind, temperature, climate condition उस जगह का, तो उस प्रोसेस को कहा जाता है वेदरिंग प्रोसेस. एंड पेरेंट रॉक, द नेचर ऑफ सॉइल दैट इज इट टेक्सचर एंड एबिलिटी ऑफ मिनरल्स डिपेंड अपॉन द रॉक फ्रॉम विच इज फॉर्म. इट मीन द नेचर ऑफ रॉक, इट like a texture, it mean hard or soft, and ability of minerals, and depend upon the rock from which is formed. This rock is known as parent rock. Now we talk about the different layer, it mean horizons of soil. Soil scientists use the capital letter A, B, C to identify the horizons. Let's discuss one by one. The top layer of horizon is a horizon, that is called topsoil, and it is visual to us. It means you can see this layer of soil, and it contains the large amount of humus and mineral which make it dark in color, and the soil is rich in nutrients because the presence of humus, it means soil are more fertile and provide nutrients the growing of plants, and the top soil has a soft texture and retain the water easily. It means this layer is generally soft, porous, and can the retain of more water. That is why plant roots grow in the top region. It means small plants are grow in this layer of soil, and many organisms live in this layer of soil like worms, rats, insects, etc. And the next layer of soil is called B horizon or middle layer. In this layer of soil which does not contain humus, it means this layer of soil is less fertile than the top soil, and the minerals are found in the large quantity in this layer. This layer has a hard texture. It means when you touch in this layer of soil, you feel hard and light in color, and it is more compact than the top soil. Compact, it means space between the soil is more than the top soil. So in this layer is called the B horizon or middle layer. And this layer of soil consists of small rock particles with cracks in them. इस लेयर, इट मीन हॉरिजॉन सी और थर्ड लेयर ऑफ सॉइल में रॉक के छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स पाए जाते हैं, और साथ में वो रॉक क्या होते हैं, क्रैक्स होते हैं. इट मीन दीज रॉक आर द पार्टियरली वेदर्ड. वो क्या होते हैं, वो वेदरिंग प्रोसेस के थ्रू वो क्या हो जाते हैं, वो रॉक क्या होते हैं, टूट जाते हैं. ठीक है. एंड प्लांट रूट्स डज नॉट पेंट्रेटेड इन दिस लेयर, and very little organic matters can be found in this layer. And now move the next layer are bedrocks. It means the last layer of soil is called the bedrock. It consists the large piece of rock that are not weathered because they are not exposed to wind and water, so they are not weathering process in this layer of rock. It is very hard in texture. इस वजह से इस बेड रॉक यानी लास्ट लेयर वाले जो सॉइल पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, वहाँ पे सॉइल के क्या होते हैं, बड़े बड़े रॉक के पीस पाए जाते हैं. वहाँ पे वेदरिंग प्रोसेस क्या होता है, नहीं होता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ना तो एक्सपोज, ना तो विंड, ना तो वाटर मिलता है, और इस वजह से यहाँ की जो सॉइल की पार्टिकल्स होती है उसकी साइज़ क्या होती है, लार्ज होती है. एंड इस पार्टिकल्स की जो टेक्सचर होती है, सॉइल की टेक्सचर क्या होती है, बहुत ही हार्ड होती है. दीज आर द कंप्लीटेड द डिफरेंट लेयर ऑफ सॉइल. These are called soil profile. I hope आपको समझ में आया होगा. Next topic we will discuss in next video. Take care. Bye.